So here we are, the new John Deere 6155R John Deere. Straight from the factory. Got also the slave wheels on it. The front hitch. And you can tell this is a new model year 19 model because it's now a sticker over here with Ultimate Edition on it. Also with front loader brackets. So that sticker is a new feature. You have here on the back 4 hydraulic valves, also with the isobus. I also have air on it, also 900 kilogram weight. Very neat machine. This is also something new. You have one adjustable and one straight. What's also new, some new features, is the handle bracket. That's the other one that doesn't vibrate when you drive. And the AdBlue particulate filter is also a little bit smaller. So, the new sticker, also with GPS on it. It smells also brand new. With the premium radio. This is a feature for the bucket to attach it. It's for the mirrors. Warning. Okay. So here we are. 0.9 hours on it. A lot of hydraulic valves. And it's also possible now to put in your isobus switch. And also this one. So you can see also new icons. So that's for your switch number 6. Is then now for your front loader. Now all the lights are on. The new 6155R is also the model year 19. Has also the new Command Pro on it. We had the old one on it. But now it's possible to put that also on. It's very nice how they put it all in. So if you want to do something with the engine, you can put the rest over here, and then you have here also the button to push it. And this is for your transmission, to put it on full automatic, special or pedal mode. We also have it on full automatic. If You put some lights on and off. So coming home light, what you want to push on. You see a climate control. You can put in also for your telephone. You can put in, like if you want to have it on valve number 1, push it in. You can put it on time. If you want more, you push 6, 7. If you want a little bit more, push the small plus. It's really nice here with the brakes. You can do a test, a braking test. Suspension for the cab and also for the front axle. This is for the front hitch. Put everything in it. There's a hitch at the back. Also the speed. PTO. Also for auto track, you put something in it, put it on. But now we don't have the GPS ball on it. System, day, time. It's a very neat new I like this one. This is very good. Also sockets, and this one when you have to fill up your iPhone or iPad, it's no problem. Very nice tractor. Fridge, you can put it on here, on and off. So have the heater for your chair if you want. Also a power socket. So yeah. Here also very nice new John Deere. So very nice new tractor. Only needs some good tires on it and the front loader on it, and off we go.